पुराय गोंयांत नातालांच्या तयारेक सुरवात जाल्या. क्रिस्तांव तशेंच हिंदू भाव नातालां व्हडा उमेदीन मनयतात. नातालांचें एक व्हड आकर्शण म्हळ्यार केक सॅरेमनी. ही केक सॅरेमनी क्रिस्तांव भाव आपल्या घरांत तशेंच शारांनी आशिल्ल्या व्हड हॉटेलांनी मनयतात. बिरेस्तारा कोलवाच्या बेवॉच हॉटेलांत केक मिक्सिंग सॅरेमनी आयोजीत केल्ली. बेवॉच हॉटेला फाटल्या 16 वर्सां सावन ही सॅरेमनी आयोजीत करता. केक तयार करून नातालाच्या दिसा हे केक सगळ्या कर्मचाऱ्यांक आनी हॉटेलांनी रावपाक आयिल्ल्या पर्यटकांक वाडटात अशी म्हायती शेफ नित्यानंदान दिली.
Of the season and as well as years, and we are doing today, that's a cake mixing ceremony, and it's traditionally from last 16 years Baywatch is doing, and regularly we will do as well, and we doing this is for the good wishes for the new season's arrival, and we are starting this one and continue. We will give all the cakes in the next month in the ceremony, this one Christmas. Preparing this one for marinating for 4 to 6 weeks with the wines, and then we'll make the cake and we'll distribute to all the staff as well as the guests.
The process is like we marinate all the nuts with wines and whiskeys and vodkas and keep it so that we prepare cakes and give it to all the people who have supported us throughout the year. Also, a small takeaway cake is given to all the staff on Christmas Day, wishing them a Merry Christmas.